Here I go. Okay, as I hand me the flathead screwdriver. Thank you. You can't get a better helper than this. Go right here. Go right there. You don't have to try to muscle them out because they come out. They see, they just pop right out just like that. Right there. Right here. They pop right out. There they are. Now, as you see right here, this is right here. Now what I'm going to do first right now, I'm going to drain the oil. I took those scabs off, they're all loose, it's ready to go. Now put the oil bucket right here. You have to have your oil bucket, 14 millimeter right here. That's all it's going to take this off.
What?
Can you please hand me the 14 millimeter and the ratchet?
Okay.
Thank you. Here we go. Very easy. Right here. Put it on. See? Pop. That's all it took. That's all it took. Just like that. And there we go. You always want to look at the drain plug, make sure everything's good on it. Now you let that drain out.
Whoa, there's a drain. Don't you see a drain? Hold.
Okay, now you got to get a hold of the drain plug. You got to look it over, make sure everything's fine, make sure the washer and everything on there is good. There you go. You see everything looks fine. That's real good. Just like that. Now we're going to put it back on. You don't want to really tighten it. Try to strip it out. Look, see that? It's nice and locked. There we go. And that's that. Okay. Now, as you see, we got the filter right here. I'm just taking it. See, there's the filter right here. Very easy to grab right here. See this? Yes, we go. And what I'm going to do is get this oil pan right here. I'm going to get the oil filter. Now, to take off the filter, I'm going to need my ratchet, and I'm going to use this. Put on the ratchet right here. It's 3/8. Put it on through this here. The grooves are right there where you just need to stick it in like that, and then let the ratchet do the work, take it off. I will show you how I put it on and I take it off with this.
Yes.
Filter tool. Thank you. There. Right there. It's in. Lock in right there. Now here we go. See the hand? That's all it's moving. Gotta be careful. Now dripping right here. Just gotta be careful on that. Already. Drop that out. Take it off a little bit. No longer need the ratchet. Now here's where. Take it out. We take a look. Now we gotta examine this one. Make sure it's the same on the side. Now, some Texans look at it and just look crazy, but me, I get oil, some of the oil. I rub it all around here, the ring. Make sure it's lubed up, like that. Now, there's the old one right there. Put that on like that. Right here. And there we are. It's a real simple process. You can basically hand tighten this very well. Give it a couple of tugs with your ratchet. Don't try to over tighten it, really tighten it, nothing like that. Pretty tight now. Okay, here we go. Easy. Make sure everything's fine. Nice and tight. I guess it is. There it is. Right there. I'll put in the oil. Now, put the oil in here. There's a cap. Here we go. There's the funnel. Like that. Right here. Got it from O'Reilly's right here. This is what it takes. Nice, fresh, clean oil. There we go. Have the funnel in here. Watch it drip. Just go in. Everything fine.
I want to see this.
There it is. Right there. Voila.
Yes.
There it is, right there.
Right there. Whoa.
That's right. It's all the way there.
Yes. Yes. Do that.
Now here we go. Tighten it up.
Yes.
And the oil chain has been completed with that. Now all I have to do is just connect the bottom and take. Okay. Now, another patient has successfully succeeded the operation.
Yes.
That's all it is and how simple it is. 2023. Now, I will go under and finish putting on the cover, and that's it.